Okay.
This is 1,000 RPM spindle.
Okay.
And we'll do 6,000. We'll do 9,000.
Max, right?
Yep, that's max.
You don't even know it's turning. Looks like it's standing still. Okay.
And then we can do a tool change.
Okay. Wow, that was quick.
And do spindle back on, 1,000 RPM. And spindle back off. And then we can do a pallet change here.
Okay. Oh, you got to go over there.
Got to go over there and ready it. And then we'll do that right now.
Awesome. Can you move it in X and Y? And
Absolutely,
all that?
okay. Yep. We'll move it around. So we'll do
is that Z there moving down?
that's Y. Y moving down. And then that's Z coming in towards the tool.
Okay.
Z back out.
Okay.
And then X coming over towards us.
Okay.
And X moving back away.
Okay.
And then we can even show the fourth rotating around.
Awesome. That's awesome. So do you guys use the fourth axis much to do profiling and contours and stuff?
Not a lot of contouring. We use it mostly for indexing purposes, but we do a little bit.
Okay. Awesome. Great. I appreciate it. Okay. Awesome. Thank you.